Okay. Y'all got the beat. Okay. That's the beat. Okay. Y'all got the beat. Okay. I'm feeling you more than I ever wish a man would. I know you for yourself. I love the spirit inside yourself. I can see right through your eyes. You remind me of good love. You love me, don't you? You can't help but love me. You want me to be your Mr. Perfect. I guess that's why you judge me. 'Cause if you didn't care, you wouldn't even be with me. I know you love me. I'm Lopez, who wouldn't love me? My daddy, he didn't raise me. Grew up thinking that he didn't love me. But that's okay, 'cause I'm good though. Hood raised me, ghetto ass baby. Yeah, I got a bad temper. You play with me, I might pop a pistol. I hate to go there. Cassville be busting guns at the state fair. We going hammer. Smoking weed made me wanna do the MC Hammer. I got so much money, I'm going hammer like my homie. Yeah. Smoking weed, going hammer, doing the EC Hammer, doing the MC Hammer. Making so much money, make me do the MC Hammer. It's hammer time. Remember on both of me, we smoking on the hammer time. Yeah, you know what it is. We getting money. It's hammer time. Yeah. Eddie Murphy funny. He said her feet was like hammer time. Yeah, we getting money. It's hammer time. Hammer's back. I'm doing a hammer time. Yeah, I can see the cute dogs stomping at they party, screaming hammer time. Do the hammer time, do the hammer time. Fuck a Sigma, sorry, do the hammer time. This a cute dog, stomping in it purple, doing the hammer time. Yeah, it's hammer time.